In today's video, we will explore two standout cloud backup applications for Android. Whether you need ample free storage or user-friendly options, we've got you covered. Terabox. Terabox is a cloud storage application that stands out for its generous free storage offering, allowing users to store up to 1 TB of data. It provides cross-platform access, meaning users can retrieve their files from various devices easily. The app features an intuitive interface, making it user-friendly for organizing and managing files. It also includes a built-in media player for streaming videos and music directly from the cloud. With automatic backup options for photos and videos, Terabox ensures that important data is securely stored. Additionally, strong encryption methods safeguard users' information, giving them peace of mind about privacy and security. Telebox. Telebox is another cloud backup solution that focuses on providing ample storage and a straightforward user experience. It offers competitive storage options and a clean interface that makes file management easy. One of its notable features is the ability to synchronize data across different devices, ensuring updates are reflected everywhere. Users can schedule automatic backups, ensuring their data stays current without manual effort. Telebox also supports file sharing and collaboration, promoting teamwork while emphasizing security through password protection and secure links. Thanks for tuning in. We hope this comparison of Terabox and Telebox has helped you understand which cloud backup solution suits your needs best. Until next time, happy backing up.